Hello plant lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to care for your green friends. Today we are diving into the world of Hoya plants and more specifically the perfect soil mix to help them thrive. So let's get started. Hoya plants, also known as wax plant, they are famous for their thick waxy leaves and beautiful cluster of star-shaped flowers. And to keep these beauties happy, it's essential to use the right soil mix. Hoyas are epiphytic plants, meaning they naturally grow on other plants or trees. So they prefer a light, well-draining soil mix. So regular potting soil won't just cut it for our Hoyas. It's too dense and retains too much moisture, which can lead to root rot. Instead, we need to create a mix that mimics their natural environment. Let's take a look at what we will need. Here's our soil mix recipe. I use 30% orchid bark. This provides excellent aeration and mimics the natural tree bark that Hoyas grow on. %30 perlite helps with drainage and keeps the soil light. You can order perlite from Amazon or you will get it from any garden center near you. And 30% cocoa peat, which retains moisture without becoming waterlogged. I also use 10% worm casting as fertilizer. You can skip it if you want to. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure an even distribution to all components. Now that we have our perfect Hoya soil mix, it's time to pot our plant. Make sure your pot has drainage holes to prevent water from sitting at the bottom. Fill the pot about halfway with the soil mix and place your Hoya in the center and then fill around the roots with more soil. Gently press the soil around the plant to secure it, but don't pack it too tightly because you want to maintain the airy structure. Water your Hoya thoroughly after potting and then let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. Hoyas don't like to sit in wet soil, so it's important to let them dry out a bit. And there you have it. A simple, effective soil mix that will keep your Hoya plant healthy and happy. Remember, the key is a well-draining, light soil that mimics their natural epiphytic environment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what other plant care tips you would like to see. Thanks for watching. Happy growing!